This is where they've had some of their Civil War battle. And let's go in here. Start here at the trailhead, walk in. I've been here at nighttime, did a investigation, paranormal investigation. I got a lot of responses with the cat balls. I am here at Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. Water right in there. This walkway is over by Food Line on the beach. I just heard something. Somebody talking. Hello? Oh, that's the way out here. I got something I want to share with y'all when I get up here. I want to share something with everybody. That way, good. When you come here and come out the wooden boardwalk, you want to turn a left, because the other way goes back out to the street. Now, it don't look creepy. And if y'all hear anything that's unnatural, besides birds and, squirrels, whatever, let me know in the comment. Time stamp it. Brother Joe, if you're watching this, time I get to the tree, you can verify in the comments and everything where everybody can see what you saw in the other previous video, that you seen eyes, glowing eyes. Oh yeah, here we are. Creeped out place. Oh, they've had a bench here now. They got a bench right here. This is the tree, or we seen eyes go up like that and come up behind the tree, and this went across. That's what I seen in the video. Now my nephew, he stuck a Ouija board right there, set it up. We didn't do anything, just sat there for energy. And but yeah, this were, I call it that, floating eyes. Now look, I'm gonna walk up here. You see how that is. Ain't no creature, I mean animal, can walk without, going up and down. It just like it went like that and up. This tree's got all kind of writing on it. I didn't know that before. Holy moly. Oh, weird feeling standing there. So I'm gonna get back. Look at that. Look how that tree is during the daytime. Hello? This sounds like somebody just walking through the leaves. What was that? I know what was there in somebody beating it. What the heck? Hello? I don't know. Before this was even pavement. Imagine the soldiers walking through here during the Civil War.